My name is Jason Forbes. I work with Providence St. Joseph Health. We're a large healthcare provider in the Western U.S. We have about 50 hospitals, and we started down our DevOps and Puppet journey about 2 years ago. We partnered with VMware, and we've implemented VRA and VRO for doing a lot of the heavy lifting for our deployment process. And Puppet is picking up a lot of the post-deployment application configuration and OS configuration components. We tend to buy most of our software applications from vendors, so we purchase off-the-shelf application. We're not doing a lot of the development work in-house for our own applications. So mostly what we're doing is we're deploying large application infrastructure to support vendor-supported applications that we host on-prem. And we're able to use VRA and VRO to deploy our servers into diverse geographical regions and then have Puppet maintain and manage the application configuration. I mean, one of the things that has been helpful for us is leveraging Puppet to be able to not only make changes to the environment configuration when things like compliance or security or Windows patching or things like that come down the pike, but also we're able to report on our nodes, so we have a pretty good kind of situational awareness of what applications we have out there and what state our nodes are in. Go back to the bad old days of doing everything manually. I mean, we used to have lengthy manual scripts for deploying anything, and it was ticket-based, and tickets would kind of get generated for different teams, and so depending on priority levels, it might take weeks to deploy an application, and we're able to cut that down to hours with VRA and Puppet. So some of the new tools look really powerful. I think some of the things that we would maybe historically be using our other orchestrator platforms to do looks like we can do in Puppet now, so that looks exciting, and interested to learn more as I go through the rest of the conference and see some of the power that has. With the removal of all of the manual deployment tasks, with that being automated, a lot of the teams that were doing that work are now actually focusing on higher value work. They're focusing on higher level engineering type work instead of a lot of the manual process that they were doing before, which was time consuming. I would say focus on some of the quick wins you can have with net new deployments. So we put together a team that are essentially software engineers, and they're writing Puppet code, and they're also managing our automation environments for VRA and VRO. And so we have daily Scrum. We are managing full stack, so the team is writing Puppet software code. They're also deploying applications. They're supporting some of the back-end infrastructure. And then we also do have other infrastructure teams that help support specialty areas as well. One of the things that I would also recommend somebody who is new to bringing Puppet into their environment is do a lot of internal education, and don't silo the team that manages the environment for Puppet or that writes the Puppet code. Have those people that are in the application support teams and some of the other teams learn Puppet and learn about what the capabilities are, so that they can come to us and we can help to automate tasks that they're doing right now.